It's one where I explore new things and have fun.
It's one that encourages active participation.
When professors share his or her life experience, which I can relate to.
It's where I feel safe to express my ideas and collaborate with others so that I can learn from them.
Today, the students have a lot more to focus on. There's a lot more competing for the focus of their attention. We need to do more to make connections for them, to help show them how our course content is going to be useful for them in the future.
Students also now view learning quite differently. They prefer to access information at the point of need rather than to accumulate knowledge for the sake of accumulating knowledge.
The students these days are very technology savvy. So using a tech platform will provide the best platform or a very suitable and intuitive platform for them to make that connection between how they see the knowledge that can be applied to a real-world setting.
I collaborated with the in-learning team to create an interactive online course to help PGD Social Studies student teachers to enhance their academic content knowledge. This course provided a virtual learning journey for students and allowed for them to discuss and debate in virtual spaces. Along the way, they gave me various useful suggestions, many of which I eventually adopted.
The idea of scenario came about when we aim to bring the unpredictability of the teaching situation in the classroom into our tutorial rooms. So we approached our colleagues from the in-learning team. We talked about it and they helped us to conceptualize and then refine the content, design the lessons, the unrun scenarios, and then to help us to finally deliver the full solutions, to the students, teachers.
Passion sparks innovation. As a result, the outcome empowers students with skill sets they need to create their future. In today's rapidly changing economy, innovation in teaching and learning becomes even more important for developing the next generations of innovators and creative thinkers. Since 2016, InLearning has partnered our faculty members to co-create and produce innovative learning solutions to transform the teaching and learning scene at NIE. Today at iTL 2019, we bring to you the journey of our pedagogical innovations. We aim to provide opportunities for faculty members to collaborate, cross-pollinate ideas, and share best practices across the teaching community. We hope you will be inspired, get ignited, and drive innovation. Welcome to iTL 2019.